Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.